In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Ventra card on phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you quick and easy instructions on how to attach your Ventra card to a digital wallet on your phone. This will allow you to use your phone instead of the physical Ventra card. So all that you have to do is put your phone near the card reader, and the fare will be deducted and you will be good to go. So in order to use your phone attached to your Ventra card, you will have to download the latest version of the Ventra app. When you download the app, you will be able to browse through all of the cards that you have. You can attach new ones to your account, and you can also add cards directly from the app. So once you have the cards listed under the card tab that you can see over here at the bottom, you will be able to access it and find the option to add to an Apple Wallet. So it's as simple as adding your card into the Ventra app, and then after it has been added, you will be able to choose the Add to Apple Wallet button. You will be able to add CTA/PaceFare. You can see the passes that you have, the balance available, and the history. But as long as you tap this option over here, you will be immediately redirected into the Apple Wallet or any other digital wallet that is available on your smartphone, and you will be able to set it up. So this should work for iOS devices and also Android through the Google Wallet. In here, you don't have to set up anything. You just authorize the card to be added, confirm your identity, and it is going to be reflected inside of Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. Then you can place your phone physically near any sort of card reader that you see, and you will be able to use this Ventra card. This will work for any card that you have, as long as you see the Add to Apple Wallet button when you choose to manage it inside of the app. This is a feature introduced inside of the app, so it is natively available for everyone as long as you download the Ventra mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ventra card on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.